I'm a motherboard. I function, I guess. But that's about it.
And I'm an ASRock motherboard. Not only do I function at the peak of PC power, but my aesthetic can't be beat in the motherboard market.
Hey, I can be interesting.
Wow, you're very interesting, and you have amazing features. You know, I should probably go start my ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi motherboard right now.
Yes, you should. It's actually what we're unboxing today.
Whoa, what are the chances?
Let's go build.
Yeah, let's go, yeah.
Oh my God,
Hey,
so many things.
I'm interesting. I just got USB 2.0. I just want to be cool.
What's up, everyone? I'm Tori, and I have a message on behalf of Unbox This. Stop wasting your time on boring boards. You'll know if you've been watching Unbox This lately that we've featured a ton of products from ASRock, and time again, you cannot beat their aesthetics. We'll be going into detail about all the connectivity options available on the B650, but all of their features are represented in how it's designed. Just the name Steel Legend implies that your board will be durable, reliable, and stable. And not only is it all of those things, but it also gives you the vibe that that's what you'll experience. Your motherboard no longer absorbs all your gorgeous RGB with simple dark grays and even darker dark grays. Here, you can see amazing heat sinks and covers with silver and bright features that evoke your motherboard's durability and performance with polychrome RGB. But enough with the build-up. I want to see for myself, so let's unbox this. Is our Mobo in here? Our Mobo! Oh, dude. Okay, let's unpack the legend. Heck yeah! I think what's nice too is even though it's a B650, it still doesn't skimp out on the design itself. Like, you can have a B650 and still have everything else that you want, including a sleek aesthetic. Dang, this is so nice. And it also still has the like M.2 Armor heatsink on it too. This is sweet. I gotta see how far they took this design too, because it's all over the front. Even on your little side I/O panel too, and oh yeah. And it's even on the back side with the Steel Legend print. That is so freaking nice. I love this motherboard. This is one of those things too. When I built my PC, I didn't fully commit to like the white build that I wanted to. And now that I see this motherboard, it could look a bit more cohesive if I had gotten the Steel Legend, and it looks very nice. Okay, and then underneath, this should be where we have all of our nice installation stuff. Heck yeah, I was right. Okay, and here you got your little bonus screw. You have a Steel Legend postcard, so you can send it to your gamer friends and rub it in their face that you got a Steel Legend motherboard. Bragging on a postcard is new level. And then we also have the AM5 CPU installation procedure too, so that way you don't mess up your CPU. And then in here, you have your user manual to your motherboard, so that way you can make sure that everything is nice and compatible and you're not missing out on features that you bought this board for in the first place. That's gonna be real nice for setup too. Especially if it's your first time building, motherboards can be overwhelming, and a guide like that is very helpful. Sweet, and then it looks like we have our 2 antennas as well for that integrated Wi-Fi 6. And then we also have our ASRock Velcro zip ties. And then it looks like we have more of our bonus screws. Yep, so you got all of your screws to help you out with your motherboard as well as your SATA cable. And that's it. Aside from your cabling, your screws, and your motherboard, that's everything that comes inside, and you're ready to set up your foundation for your PC build, which is gonna be all Steel Legend, right? I just love the print. In this white gray PCB design, you really don't see that many light boards like this, and this is one of those few, and ASRock does it so freaking well. Sweet, now that we have our legendary Steel Legend motherboard right out of the case, now we can talk all about it, so let's get into the details. Let's talk about what you'll find on this board. This board supports AMD Socket AM5 Ryzen 8 and 7000 series processors with its incredibly reliable 14+2+1 power phase design. You'll get superb productivity with its PCIe Gen 5 and DDR5. Rock solid durability with 8-layer PCB design, flexible integrated I/O shield, incredibly fast Wi-Fi 6E, and 2.5 gig LAN, plus the ease of easy troubleshooter and easy update with the BIOS flashback button and ASRock Auto Driver installer. Let's also take a look at what comes included on the rear panel. Both sides? I think it's on both sides. Wow! All that? Look at that text fly! That one's going the wrong way. For anyone who's looking to plug in a bunch of USB connections right into the back of your PC, if you're building a new rig, why not leave the space to grab a mouse, keyboard, and like 5 gaming peripherals you can use all at once? 2 keyboards. If you want to pick up this motherboard for yourself, head on over to Newegg.com or check out the links in the description below. I'm Tori. We just unboxed this.
Hey, I just added a new aesthetic. I'm interesting now, right?
What is that, a mustard stain? It's mustard.
No, it's a mustard statement.
Okay, I got a statement for you. Stick to ASRock. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Are you blinking too?
No,
Don't wink at them.
I'm not.
It's jarring when you do it. It's cute when I do it.